All right, this is Jason with the local locksmith company today. We're working on this 96 F350.
Yep.
Yeah, let's take a look at it. Look at how old this thing is. But anyways, what we're doing is we're programming some of these remotes. This one works. All right. The new ones are right here, and they don't work. So what we're going to do is we're going to program a couple of these remotes, and I believe we have to have all of them nearby. So we're going to leave so what we've watched and learned is there's a plug under here, which we've located. It's right here. It's this gray plug. And if you look inside that little gray plug, there's the prongs that you got to cross. Those two prongs. And when you cross them, that will activate it and put it into program mode. And it should make a noise. Let's see if it does it. All right. All right, turn the key on, will you? Please. Can you turn the key on?
Yeah.
That'll be great. Maybe we gotta have the key on.
Just accessory?
Yep, just turn it on.
Accessory.
Let's try that. It's supposed to make a...
There you go.
All right, so that, you hear the doors lock cycle. That means it's in mode, in programming mode. Here's the new remote. One. Here's another remote. Two. Here's another remote. And here's another remote. This one don't work. Yep, it did.
Oh, nice.
All right, go ahead and take that remote.
You got it.
So that's how easy it is. So we'll turn the key back off. Now you heard the lock cycle again. It's out of programming mode. Here's the remotes. Here's the new ones we programmed. Let's see if it works. There's one. There's two. All right, that's how easy it is. This is a early model Ford. This is probably a first generation remote system for keyless entry. And if you need any locksmith work, call the local locksmith company in Trenton. We serve the entire Downriver area with automotive, residential, and commercial locksmith services. Probably need to get a better camera, but my name's Jason, so give me a call if you need us, or visit the website at mynewlocks.com. Thanks, and like and subscribe the video. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and we'll keep more content coming. Thanks.